And I watched the other day those people, they're angry. And now they had a tremendous, well, they loved that area. They loved a whole big area, different places, but they loved it. It was all luxury stuff and beautiful stuff, and some of it wasn't that luxury. But the level of love for the neighborhood, their neighborhoods, was incredible. And you know what? I watched people on television, and they want to go. They want to leave. They've lost their spirit. They've lost their heart because the mayor is incompetent and Gavin Newsom is incompetent. Oh, he's got a good line of bullshit, but that's about it. He's incompetent. And you have Los Angeles. It's amazing. The first thing I did, I got the Olympics to go there. I was the one that got it, and by a rare thing that happened, I'll be president. I was very upset, because I got the Olympics there, and I said, I won't be president when it comes. But bad things happened, and illegal things happened, really illegal things happened. And now it turns out, one good thing was, I'm going to be the president for the Olympics for 250, which is going to be fantastic. And also for the World Cup. So we have a lot of good things, and I hope 250th anniversary is going to be the best. But when I looked at those people, and I saw last night on television that they still don't have their permits. It's a disgrace what happened in Los Angeles.